I'm Kathy.
And I'm Manny. And we're the Thrive Life Sisters.
Today we're going to make a fruit chia pudding. Coconut chia pudding.
So let's just tell you what we've done here. This is coconut milk and chia seeds. We've mixed it together and then we put it in the fridge.
Stevia?
Yeah, a little bit of stevia. You can put maple syrup or any of your honey if you want. Any flavoring or sweetener of choice.
We did that beforehand just so we had time to sit and thicken up a little before we got started. And then we powdered our fruit. So we've done this before in previous videos, but we just take the product, the powder, the fruit, and then put it into the blender to make this powder. And we want the powder because we're making it like a pudding.
Mm-hmm.
And I have strawberry, and you?
I have mango. Yeah.
And if you want, why don't you start with that, and I'll start putting the chia into a bag just because it's a little bit thick. And
we want the glasses to look like a dessert-like. It's going to be really quite nice. If we put it in a bag and then we squirt it in, it'll make it clean and tidy. Okay, so I'm going to add some of my mangoes. I'm going to do about half.
I just started by squeezing the chia and the coconut in my bottom layer while I now prepare my strawberry powder pudding.
I'm quite excited about this.
And then I'm just going to top it with some toasted coconut. And there you go.
So this is our finished product. Doesn't the colors look just so bright and vibrant?
It's a coconut chia pudding and it's really very healthy. Just fruit and we're gonna give it a try.
We are.
Sorry.
We're gonna
I'd like to give it a try. See if it's as good as it is. Love.
That is so good.
Awesome. And remember to like our video, hit our thumbs up, and
don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and hit the notification bell so you're notified when we post a new video. And we will have the recipe down below so that you can enjoy this as well. And don't forget to
oh my goodness.
And remember, you can do this too.